Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. We are back again. We are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here and thanks for having us. In our today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing scrap metal art welding projects idea. These ideas for beginners. So let's get started. Scrap metal art is an exciting and fulfilling way to create unique custom work of art using discarded and unused metal. Welding is the process of fusing metal together using heat and pressure, and it is an essential technique for creating scrap metal art. If you are interested in learning how to create scrap metal art welding projects, this video will provide you with a list of beginner friendly ideas you can start it at your home. Welding is an excellent beginner project for those interested in scrap metal art. You can use a variety of metal pieces from old license plates to rusty gears to create a unique and eye-catching pieces. Welding the metal pieces together can be a tricky one, but with the practice and patience, you can create a beautiful piece of wall art and that will last for the year at your home. To get started, collect a variety of metal pieces in different shapes and sizes. Then lay out the pieces on a flat surface to get an idea how you want the final piece to look. Once you have general idea, use a welder or a fuse the metal piece together. If you are new to welding, it's essential to take your safety precautions first, such as welding gear, welding bearings, gloves, welding mask, and protect yourself from heat and sparks and the other injuries. Creating scrap metal art for your garden is another fun and beginner-friendly project. You can create garden stacks, sculpture, and even a birdhouse using scrap metal. The key to successfully garden is to use metal pieces that will withstand an element such as rusted metal or the glazed steels. One of the simple projects is to get you started in a metal flower garden stake. To make this project, you will need a piece of rebar or the other sturdy metal for the stake and a variety of metal pieces for the flowers. Then you can use anything from old spoons to the bottle cap to create the flower petals. Weld the flower pieces together, then attach them to the stake, and voila, you have a unique garden decoration. Creating a metal sculpture can be more challenging than wall art and the garden, but it's also incredible rewarding ideas. The key to creating successful metal sculptures is to plan to your designing in advance and take your time with the welding process. One fun sculpture ideas for beginner is a metal animal sculpture. To take this project, use an element you had like to create and gather on material pieces that can be shaped into the animal feature. For example, you might use a metal pipe for the body, old bike chains for the legs and the tail, and the metal plates for the heads and the ears. Weld the piece together, then add an finishing touch such as the paint or the other establishment. If you are of feeling ambition, you can never even create your own scrap metal furniture at your home. Metal furniture can be both functional and decorative, making it a great addition to any home or outdoor space. A simple metal furniture project for beginners is to a metal stool or chairs. To make this project, you will need a sturdy metal frame and a seat made of steel pieces welded together. You can create a variety of seat design from simple metal plate to a more complex design using metal tree for the mesh. Once you have welded the seat to the frame, add any finishing touch such as a cushion or the paint. Finally, creating a scrap metal jewelry is another amazing and the fun way rewarding yourself in welding technique. You can use a variety of metal pieces such as wire, steel metals, and old jewelry pieces to create a unique and personalized jewelry. One of the easy project is to get started in a metal bracelet. To make this project, you will need a metal strip, a hammer, and a metal file. Hammer the metal strip to create a texture, then file the edges to smooth them out. The scrap metal art welding is a popular form of art that is enjoyed by people all over the world. There are many regions where types of the art is particularly popular, including the United States. Scrap metal art welding is particularly popular in the United States, especially in regions with a strong industrial heritage such as Midwest and the Rust Belt. Mexico has a rich tradition of metalworking, and scrap metal art welding is a popular form of folk art in many parts of the country. Scrap metal art welding is a popular form of art in Australia, particularly in rural areas where farming equipment machinery can be repurposed for artistic purpose. Metal art welding has become increasingly popular in South Africa in this recent year, with artists using discarded metal to create a striking sculpture and other works. Scrap metal art welding is popular in many parts of the Europe, particularly in the countries with a strong industrial heritage such as Germany and the UK. Overall, scrap metal art welding is gained popularity in many different regions of the world. Its appeal is likely due to a unique combination of creativity and the resourcefulness that is required.